No pictures. No pictures. Oh, man. What's up, everybody? Yeah!
Howdy.
It is vegan. I forgot the R and then the V.
Yeah, whatever.
That's us. I'm Kevin.
I'm Laura.
And this is amazing.
Yes.
So, yesterday, we did a little bit of this.
Yep.
And we kept doing a lot of bit of that. Because we couldn't find a camping spot.
Yep.
Oh, man.
So, here's a pro tip. Don't show up in Hope, Alaska on a Saturday during fishing season thinking you're going to get
A last minute spot.
Yeah, because no.
All the campgrounds booked. Solid.
Yeah.
I mean, there were so many people in Hope. It was insanity.
Yeah, basically every little stitch of river and creek was full of people with fishing rods.
Yeah,
so.
I'm surprised we even were able to drive through
Yeah.
because it would people were parked everywhere. It was just crazy. Why don't we turn this way so we're not getting the audio?
Oh yeah, the cars going by.
Yeah.
And they can see the view of the river back there that we have.
And that's not a river.
What is it? A lake?
That's an inlet.
Oh.
That's part of the frickin' ocean, man.
Is that Prince Edward?
That's Turnagain Arm.
Oh, Turnagain Arm.
Yeah. Made famous by
Captain Cook?
Yeah, look at you. See?
Yeah, I remembered stuff.
All right, so don't do it.
Yep.
But you want to know what we're going to do now? We're unhitching a car, and we are driving into Hope. Woo!
But it's not like we have.
There's only like 5 buildings.
We're not that far away from Hope, and we're just hanging out here in a pullout.
I think we're like maybe 5 miles.
Yeah, it's not bad. So it's
it
not
was
like you're
nice
going to
and
be
quiet. A couple of gunshots last night, but
there were a lot of gunshots. I don't
it
know
only
if
happened for a little bit. That's what I'm saying. A couple.
Yeah.
If it's going
Yeah.
for an hour, that's a lot of gunshots.
Yeah.
I mean, we're from the hood, Laura. Come on.
True.
These people need to think we're hard. Shoot.
So,
But
anyway, now we're going to go explore Hope, so we'll see you in a bit.
We hope you like it. Waka, waka, waka. Oh, yes!
It was a trading port, right?
Huh? Hope?
Yeah, it was like originally, I think, for gold mining, and then most of these guys bailed and went to Klondike. Look at that dog.
Oh my God, look at that little dog.
The social hall here, built in 1902, one of the oldest buildings here in Hope.
Tiny home. This is even back in the 30s, 1930s.
Ooh, it looks like they're going to do some work.
Did you see it yesterday? Yeah. Oh, dude, it was way more fun.
Let's see if I can get some of these guys climbing through here.
No.
So cute.
So I think
Right
that's
there.
what they do is they get into areas where they can rest. And
Right here, you can see all the
you
back.
see it right here? Oh yeah. Yeah. You see the back.
Yeah, Laura, right here.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them right there.
So I think probably they get behind a rock where the water is not flowing as hard and they rest there or something. Hey, don't go up. It's a trap. Yeah, right there.
See all those fishes?
I've been a railroad lawyer, judge, and town mayor. Whenever sued me for legal mines, it turned to me. This Canyon Creek mine is where I get my hands dirty. Hard work feeds my Yankee soul. I've invested in a bunch of mines, and this is the one I like the most and spend the most time. Truly peaceful here. In 1926, or was it 27, old-timer Nick Bruin asked me for a grub stake while he did the assessment work on the Canyon Creek Development Company claims. But rather than pay Bruin, the company just gave the claims to the two of us. They didn't think they could make any money, but Bruin and I, we knew there was gold here. So once we got started, we went to work, real fast. Well, we hope you enjoyed that. It never gets old, everybody.
Nope.
So yeah, we hope you enjoyed the town of Hope. There is a lot of history, a lot of old buildings. It's super cool. It's a really special place. It's cute. I mean, would I want to live here?
No, probably not.
Well, I want to visit here.
Sure. I mean, it's more about fishing. Like
It's a lot. It's a
lot
fishing
of,
town.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a lot of
But there's all kinds of cool stuff.
Yeah. They have a
Like,
cool. They have a
you
cool
have to
little-
crank that thing. What's up? So this is where we're gonna end it.
Yep.
If you like the video, like it. If you don't like the video,
Peace out.
see ya. Check out Laura's Instagram, Vegan RVR. That's us.
Yep.
Videos, pictures, all kinds of cool stuff. Lives. Laura will finally learn to keep the camera straight one day. So crazy. All right, see you later.
Bye.